take your mark.
This is the final heat for event 19, boys 11 and over, 100-meter butterfly for lane 1, Ramones Micael Andre, Modern Aquatic. Lane 2, Padero Mark Artenius, La Union Bull Shark. Lane 3, Caballo Andreo J, Baguio Mako Shark. Lane 4, Davao Jenkins Lorenzo, Baguio Mako Shark. Lane 5, Vivat Brian Christian, Grotto Vista. Lane 6, Laguna Dexter John, Bulacan Bull Shark. Lane 7, Biluan Matthew Rodney, Dagupan Bagusin Club. And lane 8, Santos Mark Audrey from Bulacan Bull Shark.